Hello viewers, it's me Shipra Gupta from St. Xavier's School, Hardoi. Once again I am here to teach you multiplication. But before starting the video, please subscribe our school channel, press bell icon to get further notification. And if you like this video, so please share it. Now move on the topic. Multiplication. Children, multiplication is defined as to calculate the result of repeated additions of two numbers. Okay, children. So now, repeated addition. In this chapter, we are going to learn multiplication as repeated addition form. Are you getting, children? So, what is repeated addition? Adding same number again and again. Children, listen to me very carefully. Adding same number again and again is called repeated addition. Let's see one example. Look at here. There are three jars. How many jars? Three. One, two, three. Three jars are there. Each jars are having one, two. Two fish. One, two, one, two. Okay, children? So listen. Wait. Yes. Now count the fish in first jar. 1, 2. 2. In second jar. 1, 2. 2. In third jar. 1, 2, 2. So how many total fishes are there? Count all fish together, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. See. 2 fishes in each and every bowl. See na? Have you seen na? Yes. So, same number. I told you na, adding same number again and again. So, in the same way, 2 plus 2 plus 2. I am going to add here 2 plus 2 plus 2 means I am repeating the number of 2 3 times. Then I got the result 6. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. Now, so in this way, we can say that 3 times 2 is 6, or 3 2s are 6, or 3 into 2 is 6. So the fact is 3 multiply 2 is equal to 6. Otherwise 3 times 2 is equal to 6. This is the sign of equal to, and this is the sign of multiplication. Children, this cross is the sign of multiplication. Okay, you can re-say in this way. 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. Otherwise 3 times 2 is equal to 6. So repeated addition of the same number is called multiplication. What is multiplication? Repeated addition of the same number is called multiplication. Okay, children, let's see more example. See, there are two baskets. These baskets are representing groups. One group, two group. Okay, and each basket is having how many apples? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count these apples also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each baskets are having 5 apples. Okay. So now let's start. How many apples? 5. In second basket, 5. Now count all apples together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many apples altogether? 10. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Means here we are adding number of 5 again and again. So I got the result 10. Now change in multiplication facts. So how many groups are there? Listen to me very carefully, children. Groups, one group and two groups. So how many groups are there? 2. Same number. Which number is came again and again? 5. So 2 times 5 is equal to, count all apples. How many apples there are? 10. So 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Means 2 multiply 5 is equal to 10. Are you getting, children? Let's do some more. See, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bicycles. 5 bicycles are here. Each bicycle is having 2 wheels. How many wheels? 2 wheels. So now start. In first diagram, how many wheels are there? 2. In second, 2. In third, 2. 4, 2, 5, 2. So now count total number of wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Children, again same thing we are following here also. Which number is going to repeat? Number 2. Very good. So how many times? 5 times. How many times? 5 times. It means 5 times 2 is equal to total number of wheels 10. 5 times 2 is equal to 10s. Okay, children? So, children, to learn more about repeated addition, we will watch this activity. Okay? So, children, in this video, we are going to learn about multiplication as repeated addition form. So, children, look at here. In this picture, these balls represents a group. So first we count how many groups are there. 1 ball, 2 ball, 3, 4, 5. 5 balls represents 5 groups. How many groups? 5 groups. This is a 5. So 5 groups. So children, let's count the toffees. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 trophies are there in each and every balls. So what you have to do here, listen. You have to represent these number in repeated addition form. So let's start. How many trophies in first ball? 4. In second ball? 4. In third ball? 4. In fourth ball? 4. And in fifth ball? Also 4. So these are the trophies. So now these numbers we have to represent in repeated addition form. So which is the addition symbol? This, 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 this. Oh yeah, this. So take it and put it here. Plus 4 plus 4. Now next. Plus, plus, and plus. So this form is represented as a repeated addition form. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 means there are 5 groups. 5 times 4 are there. Are you getting, children? 5 times 4 represents itself in repeated addition form. Are you getting? Now let's just change into multiplication facts. So how many times these 4 came? 5 times. What is the sign of multiplication? Yes, this is the sign of multiplication. Now 5 times. Which number came 5 times? 4. So take 4 and 5 times 4 is equal to, which sign belong equal to? This. 5 times 4 is equal to, now you count all the toffees together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 5 times 4 is equal to 20. This is a 20. So write 20 here. So this is in this way you can get the number of 20 in simple repeated addition form and as well as multiplication form. So let's see one more example. Now in this next example, there are 3 tomatoes in each group. So first we count how many groups are there. 1 and 2. 2 groups are there. Each group is having 3 tomatoes. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So now represent these tomatoes in repeated addition form. So first number 3. 3. And the second number 3. Now sign addition. So 3 plus 3. It represents repeated addition form. Now change it to multiplication fact. So first, what you have to write? Number of groups. So how many groups are there? 1, 2. 2 groups are there. So take 2 from here. And the sign, multiplication sign. And then, how many numbers? Count the tomatoes in each group. 3. So 2 into 3 is equal to, now you count all tomatoes together. Count it, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, this. So in this way, 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Are you getting, children? 3 plus 3 is repeated addition form, and when we change in multiplication form, so it becomes multiply by 3 is equal to 6, means 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Okay, children, now we will see one more example. Now see one more example. There are 2 pens. There are 2 pens in each groups. Children, count the pens. 1, 2. And this group 1, 2. So how many pens are there? 2. How many groups are there? 2. So now represent as multiplication form. So repeated addition form first. So 2, number 2. And the next number is also 2. Sign plus. Where is the plus sign? Yes, here. So 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 2 is represent repeated addition form. 2 plus 2 represents a self repeated addition form. Now change it into multiplication form. So first, how many groups are there? 2 groups. Again you keep the 2. Then multiplication sign. Yes, this one. Put here. But now 2 groups are there, na? That's why I take the number of 2. But now tell me, number of pens? Also 2. So now we will take one more 2 is here. Now, so 2 times 2 is equal to, now children count it. 2 times 2 is equal to, count all the pens. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Are you getting, children? This way we can learn how to arrange addition, repeated addition form, how to arrange the number in repeated addition form as well as in multiplication form. Thank you. I hope, children, you all have learned repeated addition form through this activity. So now it's time to exercise. Complete the addition and multiplication sentences for each picture. Okay, children? Now count the pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups are there. Okay? So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Each group is having 2 strawberries, 2 fruits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But these 8 is the total number. Okay, total of fruits. So first is 2. Wait. Start doing. 2 plus 2. Then in third, 2. Then 2. So is equal to 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So 4 into 2 means 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Okay, children. So now in next question, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. See, there are 3 groups. And number of fruits also 3 is there. 3. So now start writing. 3, 1, 3 is already written. So in second group, 3. In third group also 3. So now count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Now next, there are 4 groups. How many groups? 4 groups. And each group is having 4 fruits. Now count all the fruits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1, 4 is already written here. In second group also 4 fruits. In third group also 4 fruits. And fourth group also 4 fruits. So now count all fruits together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 times 4 is equal to 16. Now the last, there are 2 groups. How many groups? 2 groups are there. Okay, each group is having how many fruits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 fruits. So 1, 6 is already written. So next group you count the fruits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So 6 plus 6. Now count all fruits together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. So children, 2 times 6 is equal to 12. Are you getting, children? Now, next, write in repeated addition form. Here you have to write in only repeated addition form. No need to change it multiplication form. Okay? So start doing. There are so many flowers, no? And all flowers in having vases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 vases are there. So 6 pots are there. So there are 3. How many flowers are there? 3 in one vase. The second 3, third 3, fourth 3, 5 3, and 6 also 3. So sign, I told you na, addition form. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 and plus 3 and plus 3. Are you getting, children? In the same way, in the next, there are 4 fish in each groups. So how many fish? Now start writing. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Okay, children? Yes. This thing is represent repeated addition form. You have to do only this much in this exercise. Now solve the third question. There are 3 baskets. How many fruits are there in each baskets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fruits. How many fruits? 5 plus 5 plus 5. Okay, children? Yes, at the last. Once again, there are 3 groups. And each groups are having 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 leaves. So now once again, 4 plus 4 plus 4. Okay, children, are you getting? Now it's time to home assignment. Write each of the following multiplication facts as repeated addition form. Okay, 6 multiplied by 3 means 6 times 3. So you have to change in these number in multiplication form. These facts you have to change in multiplication form, repeated addition form. So how could you change? So you have to write 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. See, easy now? Same next question. 4 multiply 4 means 4 times 4. So you have to write here number 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. In the next question, 7 times 2. So here you have to write 7, 7, 7. No. Yes, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 7 is representing groups and 2 numbers. In the same way, 6 is representing group and 3 represents number. Okay, children. So don't forget these things. The first number is representing groups of numbers, number of groups, and the second one representing how many things are there, number of things. Okay. Now see, 8 multiplied by 1, 8 times 1. So you have to write 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 1 1. You have to write 1 over there. Then next 5. So 5 times 6. So you have to write 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Now next 3 multiply by 3 means 3 times 3. So you have to write 3 3 3. Easy. Now the last 2 multiply 4 means 2 times 4. So you have to write here 4 plus 4. Are you getting, children? Yes, it's very easy exercise. So this exercise you have to do by own. Okay, children? So children, in this class we have learned about multiplication, repeated addition form. Okay, so in next class I will teach you multiplication in new method. Okay, children, but for that method, children, you have to learn tables from 2 to 20. It is also your homework. So learn tables from 2 to 20. Okay, children? Very good. So children, stay home, be safe, keep practicing. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, children. Bye.